What's up, YouTube? First and foremost, happy Reshoevn8r Day. In honor of Reshoevn8r Day, we are hosting the biggest sale yet. Up to 60% off product at Reshoevn8r.com right now, happening all weekend, but I'll get into that later on in the video. For this vid, I don't know if you can tell, under all this mud, we do have the military blues, or should I say industrial blue 4s, that have definitely seen better days. We're gonna get these things right using our signature shoe cleaning kit that is available at Reshoevn8r.com with that limited discount for Reshoevn8r Day, so go get that. But with all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it, so let's get straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. My name is Rob, aka Pretty Boy Rob, and I'm gonna be hanging out with you for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. First things first, we're just gonna grab one shoe, grab this left one. Let's set it aside for that before and after purpose, and we're gonna be focusing just on this right. There's mud all over, so before we get our cleaning station all set up and start getting down and dirty, we gotta step outside so we can go ahead and bang off all this dirt. So follow me. There you go. Starting to look a little more like a military blue 4. If you guys don't know, we have partnered with SneakerCon and Bada Soul to collect new and used sneakers for the less fortunate kids in the Philippines. We did this a few years back. If you haven't checked out that video, we'll get it posted on one of the corners so you can check that video out. It's a great video and all for a good cause. All you gotta do is click the link in the bio to find out more about our Heart and Soul Drive. And we are back. We're gonna get this cleaning started. All we have to do is insert our shoe tree and remove these laces. All right, let's go to get started. Grab your solution, and all you gotta do is squirt a couple squirts. And then we can start with using our soft bristle brush and just hammering away at these uppers. So let's get it in. I'm all done using our soft bristle brush. Just gotta use the towel to wipe off all those suds and see what we're working with. As you can see, we made a muddy, murky mess. I mean, just look at our cleaning mat. Imagine if you're at home cleaning a shoe and your mama's counter looked like this. She gonna beat your butt. That's why you can get a cleaning mat right now at Reshoevn8r.com for 60% off for Reshoevn8r Day. But now let's jump straight into it with our medium bristle brush. Our medium brush acts as a general all-purpose brush and will work great on a painted midsole just like these sneakers. It also has more denser bristles than our soft bristle brush that will allow us to just get a deeper clean all around. All right, I am all done taking care of these uppers using our soft and medium bristle brush. The last thing I gotta do is take care of this outsole using our stiff bristle brush. But before I do that, I wanna talk a little bit about this shoe. As you know, Nike's calling it the industrial blue, but to me, the streets are always gonna call this shoe the military blue. Let us know in the comment section down below, are you calling it the military blue or industrial? But with that said, let's get it in with our stiff bristle brush. Let's get it, let's go. All right, we are all done with the pre-cleaning. Overall, it's looking great. However, this tongue tag is looking extremely dingy. The sock liner plus the dingy stitching all around the shoe. That's why we're gonna go ahead and put it in the sneaker laundry system to attempt to flush that out. So before we put that shoe in the washer, I just gotta take care of these laces. Ooh, looks like these laces got the Hershey squirts. All right, and just like that, our laces are good to go. I'm just gonna put those inside our sneaker for now. Grab our sneaker laundry bag, place the sneaker in like so, and we are gonna go to the washer. All right, we're inside the laundry room, about to put the sneaker inside the washing machine. just like so. When washing your sneakers, make sure you use cold water, wash on a normal cycle, and of course, Reshoevn8r laundry detergent. All right, guys, the shoes are done with the washer, currently on our drying rack, which means we got some time today. So it's only right I talk about Reshoevn8r Day. What is Reshoevn8r Day? It's actually our birthday. We are celebrating 14 years in the sneaker game. And with that being said, we got the biggest sale of the year, up to 60% off. So if you haven't tried our new power pads, you can check those out. 60% off. Water and stain repellent with the pump, 60% off. Signature kit, we got this thing for 30% off. Essential, 30. Dry rack bowl combo. Matter of fact, all your accessories, pods, towel, extra laundry bag, 60% off. Shoe trees, we got them for 30% off. Sneaker wipes, look, you can get a couple of them for 40% off, 45% off, or you could get the whole thing, 45% off. Crease protectors, 45% off. Dry suede kit, 45% off. Mink oil, the almighty mink oil, get that thing for 30% off. Some solutions, 30% off. You wanna apply some Soul Shields to your sneakers? You need to re-up on your brushes? We got them for 45% off. All those products and more, up to 60% off with Reshoevn8r.com all weekend long. Happy Reshoevn8r Day. All right, guys, our sneakers are fully dry. Overall, I'm really happy with these results. However, a couple things I wanna point out is just this toe box. I do see some trapped in stains around there, as well as it's just not that buttery texture that we like. So that's why I'm gonna grab my dry suede kit. Gonna really spot clean some of those stubborn stains, as well as just overall reset that nap and make it nice and plush. So with that said, let's get on it. All right, when using the dry suede kit, you wanna go ahead and use the square eraser, spot clean any stubborn stains, and then use the medium brush to brush off all those shavings. If you don't have our dry suede kit in your cleaning arsenal, you can get it right now for 45% off for Reshoevn8r Day. All right, the suede is looking and feeling much better. Now I just gotta go ahead and get these things laced up. There it is, that's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these industrial blue or military blue 4s that were looking horrendous. We achieved these results using our signature shoe cleaning kit, sneaker laundry detergent, and dry suede kit. To recap the video, we started with all 3 brushes, broke down the dirt and grime. We then put the shoe in the washer with our sneaker laundry system. After they fully dried, we reset the suede or nubuck using our dry suede kit. You can get results just like this by shopping Reshoevn8r.com. With all that being said, my name is Pretty Boy Rob, and I'll see y'all in another one. Peace.